Hello, welcome back to my channel, #MoneyMum. So, I love my home. One thing I really love is flowers. I think loads of women love flowers. I think flowers are beautiful and I think they bring colour into the home, which is lovely. But however, they can be quite expensive. You know, like when you come in and you see those houses, oh my God, that's my dream. So you walk in, you've got that hallway and you've got like a huge table, you're with me here, right? And you have those massive flower displays, but obviously they're real flowers. So a little tip is if you want to fill your home with flowers week in, week out, get fake ones. Now, fake flowers can still be quite expensive, I've found. So when you go into a shop, if you want to buy an arrangement, I find that that's quite expensive. I think I went somewhere and they wanted like £100 for the flower arrangement itself. So to save money from constantly buying flowers week in, week out, get yourself some really good fake flowers. Now this is an arrangement I've got here. And then I bought these flowers individually and I think this entire arrangement cost me about £45. This constantly sits on the table directly behind me when people come in, and loads of people comment on it, like, oh, when they first walk in, you've got beautiful flowers. Well, if Adam was to buy me these week in, week out, which he doesn't, to be fair, do you, Adam? If he was to buy me these week in, week out, they would cost me a fortune. So don't look at getting flower arrangements that are already done, because they're going to cost you, like a big flower arrangement like this will probably be about £150. So please look into this. I think it's a great tip to brighten up your home, not have to pay out for flowers constantly, and also do a DIY one. And stores that are really, really good for this are places like Dunelm, Home Sense, Tesco's, your local supermarkets. You can get some beautiful, beautiful vases, and have a look round at garden centres and things like that. They have some brilliant, beautiful looking fake flowers when you walk into a lot of garden centres. So I think it's a really good tip to brighten up your home for not much money, and they never ever die, so they're perfect. Thanks for watching today. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button below. Thank you.